Welcome in Class 4, English, Chapter 2, Neha's Alarm Clock, Question and Answer. Page number 9. Question 1. New words, meaning and their sentences. First word, snuggles, meaning to be in a comfortable position. Sentences A. He snuggles himself into the sleeping bags. B. Rima snuggles in her new yellow couch. Word 2. Mutters, meaning say something in a very low voice. Sentence A. Tia always mutters in the class. B. Rohan mutters in the washroom. Third word, window sill, meaning the bottom part of the window. Sentences A. There is a pot kept on the windowsill. B. Clothes were hanging from the windowsill. Fourth word, relax, meaning free from tension. Sentences A. She tried to relax before the examination. B. Relax on bed till you get well. Page number 10. Reading is fun. Take the correct answer. Question 1. What time did Neha's clock ring every morning? A. 4 o'clock. B. 9 o'clock. C. 6 o'clock. The correct answer is C. 6 o'clock. Question number 2. What did the birds say? A. Sleep on. B. Wake up. C. Go and play. The correct answer is B. Wake up. Question number 3. What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? A. Our body clock. B. Our eyes. C. Our feet. The correct answer is A. Our body clock. Question number 4. Put the letters in the right order. One has been done for you. Answer. The correct orders are given below. First, smile. Second, alarm. Third, clock. Fourth, morning. Fifth, snowed. Sixth, window. Page number 11. Let's listen and talk. Question 1. Listen to the sounds around you when you are on your way to school. Discuss with your friend the sounds that you heard. List them here. Answer. Sounds you heard, sounds your friend heard. First, car. Traffic sound. Sounds of animals. Second, speaking. People talking. Wind sound. Third one, tree. Rustling of leaves. Sounds of utensils. Fourth one, bird. Chirping of birds. Sounds of footsteps. Fifth, mic. The loud sounds of speakers. Knocking at the door. Question 2. If there is no clock in the house to wake you in the morning, how will you wake up? Will you continue to sleep or dot dot dot? Answer. If there is no clock in the house to wake me in the morning, my mother and father will wake me up. I will not continue to sleep for a long because I will have to get ready for school. Question number 3. What are the different ways of knocking the time during the day? Answer. If the watch is not available, I can estimate the time with the position of the sun. In the morning, sun is in the east. At the noon, it is on the head. And in the evening, it is on the west. Page number 12. Word building. Find the hidden words. Mother, birds, clock, alarm, happy, morning, holiday, hungry, and Sunday. Answer. From top to bottom, you see hungry. H U N G R Y. And from left to right, bird. B I R D. Again, top to bottom, clock. C L O C K. Again, left to right, mother. M O T H E R. Again, top to bottom, holiday. H O L I D A Y. From left to right, alarm. A L A R M. Again, left to right, Sunday. S U N D A Y. Again, left to right, happy. H A P P Y. Again, left to right, morning. M O R N I N G. Page number 13. Let's write. Question 1. Who said these words and to whom? First, wake up dear, wake up fast. Second, Ma, who woke me up today? Third, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Answer. First, wake up dear, wake up fast. Who said? Birds. To whom? Neha. Second, Ma, who woke me up today? Who said? Neha. To whom? Mother. Third, why do you sleep at 9 every night? Who said? Neha. To whom? Mother. Question 2. Use the help box to fill in the blanks. Was, were. A. Ram dash a good football player. Answer. Ram was a good football player. B. The cows dash grazing in the field. Answer. The cows were grazing in the field. C. My toys dash broken. Answer. My toys were broken. D. Her frock dash too long. Answer. Her frock was too long. E. The market dash closed. Answer. The market was closed. F. The children dash happy. Answer. The children were happy. G. The flowers dash kept in a vase. Answer. The flowers were kept in a vase. Page number 14. Question number 3. Look at the pictures below and complete the following paragraph. You will need these words: pulled out, inside, called out, behind, under. Answer. Yesterday I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. I looked behind a door. I looked inside a cupboard. I looked under a bed. I could not find it anywhere. Then I called out, Sheru. Sheru, my dog, came running to me. I asked him to look for my book. He pulled out another book from my bag. Your next question. Here is a word, clock. Write down words relating to the clock. Make sentence, sound, another word, name different parts and times, words in your language, and picture. Another question. Here is a word, morning. Now write down words related to it. Answer, clock. Make a sentence. The alarm clock wakes me up in the morning. Sound, tick tock. Another word, time. Name different parts or times. Dial, hour hand, face, second hand. Words in your language. Ghadi. Picture. Make picture yourself. Second, morning. Daytime. Sunrise. Birds. Daylight. Sun. Dawn. Please share this video to all your friends. Thank you.